Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class A Kalaiva. Today we are going to see class 1, subject is EVS, the topic name is My School. Term 2, first term we completed, this is the term 2, topic name is My School. See, what do we carry to school? Listen, what do we carry to school? Usually we are carrying something wherever you go, we have to carry a bag, is it or not? We are carrying a bag. Why we are carrying means, if we are going to some place means we need some materials for that place in the particular things is no. So the things is, the places we go to that differ. So the same thing we are using the things also differ based on the places. If we are going to school means we have to carry some other things. What are the things is we have to carry means? See, we have to carry books. First of all, we have to carry books and then notebooks, pen, pencil, scale, eraser, as well as these things as we have to carry. Is it or not? Because if we are going to school means we need some things. What we need? If your school means we have to read, no. So we have to read means we need the books. We have to take write some things. So we need the notebooks. Then without the stationery items we cannot write anything. So we need the pencil, eraser, pens, pen, sketch, and then we have to draw colors means we need the color pencils, color paints, like these things. That's why we have to carry a bag to school. If we are going some other places means, if we are going to tour means, what we have to carry? We need to carry these bags? No, we have to carry sweaters, mufflers, like that things as we have to things. No. So if we are going to school means we have to carry pen, pencil, notebooks, like the stationery items we have to carry. Apart from this, we have to carry a tiffin box. Why do we need a tiffin box school? If you are entering the school morning 8 o'clock, after that we leave from the school 3:30 or 4 o'clock, no. In between that time we need the water and then we need the snacks and we have to take a lunch also. That's why we carry along with the books, notes, we have to carry the tiffin box. In this tiffin box we have water bottle and then lunch, some snacks will be there in this tiffin box, isn't it? Then next, what do we wear school? Okay, if we are going to school means what are the dresses we have to dress to school means we have to wear the uniform to school. We have to wear the uniform to school. See, what does mean uniform? You know that no, uni means same, form means appearance. So uniform means same appearance. Same appearance is called the uniform. Why do we wear the uniform at the school means all the children we have to appear in the same look. We don't want to give the some differences, the poor people and then rich people. This like differences is not there in the school. That's why all the children wear the uniform while going to the school. Next one, what do the teachers teach us? If you are going to school means why the purpose is we have to learn something from the school. Who teaches in the school means teachers. Teachers only help us to learn many things from the school. Is it or not? Teachers only help us to learn many things from the school. They teach us read and write, how to read the verbs. They teach us the many languages to read, isn't it? We are learning the Hindi, English and Tamil, Sanskrit, like this languages we are reading in the school, no. So teachers only help us to read these languages and then write. We are writing, no, we are writing the different languages also. We are using the 4 lines note, 2 lines note, how we are learn the cursive writing, like this many things we have to do in the school, no. So we learn read and write at school. Next one, we learn draw and paint also. The art and craft teachers teach us how to draw, how to paint, how to make a art and craft things, how to convert the waste materials into the useful things. These like things we learn from the school. Next one, apart from this learning, we learn some other things also. What we learn from the school means some good habits and good manners. Good habits and good manners also we learn from the school. Good habit means what is that? If the wastes means we have to put it in the dustbin, and then if you are going in the some other places means we have to make a follow the line. While climbing the staircase or going to down the staircase means we have to set the hands backside. Like this habits, like this manners we learn from the school. Is it or not? We should not push others, we should not beat others. If you are hurting some others means we should ask the sorry, and then if you get anything from others means you should ask the permission. Like this manners we learn from the school. And then some children are playing with others. No, some children compare than other children, they never join to others children. But if you are going to school means automatically the children get your friends and they are playing together. So these like habitats we can learn from the school. This is the uses for the school. Then we play together. Is it or not? We are playing, we have many friends in the school. That's why we can play with our friends, and then as well as we share. Sharing habit also we can learn from the school. During the lunch break, snacks period, we are sharing our things. We are sharing our stationery items also. We have to give our friends, we can get the things from the friends also. So the sharing habit also we can learn from the school. This is the learning things is from the school. What we learn from the school? We learn read and write. After that we learn drawing, painting, and then how to use the computer. Like these things is we learn. Apart from this we learn the many good habits and good manners from the school. And then we can learn how to play, how to join with our mingle with our friends, how to share the things is. These things is we learn from the school. Then in my classroom, see, if a classroom means it has some appearance, is it or not? If the classroom means it has some appearance, what are the things is there in the classroom? We know very well. If a house means it has the doors, windows, as well as it has the many rooms like a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room. Like this many things, rooms will be available in the houses. If a school, if the school having the many classes, if the class means it has some appearances there, it has some available we need in the classroom. What are the classrooms available things? This means first, if a classroom means it need a bench and desk, it need a benches and desk. See, it has the many desk and chair, for every child. All the childs have to sit here, no? So they need the desk and benches, because they can sit and write there. If the desk and chair will be there means they have to feel comfortable, they can write, they can read easily. So each and every child have the benches and desk, okay? And then next third, if the classroom teacher will be there, no? So teachers also need some benches and table, and teachers table and teachers chair also will be there separately. Then it has the boards. Boards means blackboard, green board, smart board. Like this boards will be there. If the board only help us to write on the, teachers can write on the board with the help of the chalk piece, and then some other, if the smart boards means they can use the so the sketch pen. Like this things is they are using the markers like that. So the classroom having desk and benches for children, and then teacher's table, teacher's chair will be there, blackboard will be there. This blackboard needs some chalk piece because we can write on the board, means the teacher can write on the board means she can use the chalk pieces. This is the appearance of classroom. Next one, how do we keep our classroom? We saw what are the things is there in the classroom, we saw that, no. As well as in this classroom, we have to keep clean. How do we keep clean? If you are saving the pencils, pencil savings is there. If you are having the snacks in the classroom, means in the break period you are having the snacks, no. The chocolate wrappers and then biscuit wrappers, pencil savings, and then waste papers, all the things we should not put in our place. Where do we put it? In one corner. It is compulsory we have one dustbin in the corner, no. This is the dustbin, no. You know that, no, dustbin. the dustbin will be there every corner of the classroom. So we should be put it in the dustbin. If you are washing your hands means we are to go to restroom and wash your hand, and then do toilets we can use means we can keep our classroom clean. This is the thing we have to follow in the classroom. Okay children, thank you children. To receive our online class, please press the subscribe button. You will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.